Got him, huh? We're gonna try to save this shark if it's a black tip.
We are.
Yeah.
You need to save a shark?
Yeah.
I'll do this one since we want to save
Yeah,
this
no,
one.
you're good.
Birthday shark, huh? You videoing?
How are you gonna save it?
Alright, he's gonna gaff it.
Oh.
It's getting close to the boat.
How big is it? Watch that when it gets up there.
Yep.
Sydney, move a second, please. Let me
Oh,
see if I
yes,
can
sir.
get a gap out of here.
Ooh, man, this one's fighting. This is fighting right here. I don't know if it's a black tip or a lemon shark. I hope we just don't want it to bite through. It looks like it's coming to the surface. There he is. It's a big. Oh!
You want him? I don't think it's a black tip.
Under the boat.
Okay, we'll pull him out. Watch out now. This thing, I don't want to get you.
Oh, sorry.
Careful.
Okay, there he is. Sydney got.
Oh! Oh, wow, yeah, he's big.
Gaff him. Woo! Keep videoing.
Okay, go to the. Yeah, don't drop that.
I'm not gonna drop it. Sydney,
Hold
you
it over.
videoing?
Yes,
Hold
I
it
am.
over the side. So
Oh, wow.
Hold it over the side so it doesn't bloody up everything. Loosen it.
Here, put this rod right there.
Yeah, something like that.
All right, now why don't you take a picture? No, take off.